Let me show you how you can use Navbar on the Samsung S25. So first of all, you will have to start by opening settings, then scroll until you find lock screen and AOD, and right here open Navbar, and here you can find all applications that support Navbar. So you will have to turn them turn the switchers to actually get this Navbar. And also additionally you can use media player and current mode. So right now when I'm gonna open, for example, my clock application and start the stopwatch, and I can simply lock the screen, unlock, and here I can find Navbar. If I'm gonna tap on it, I can quickly expand and I can manage this application, but when I'm gonna click and hold it, as you can see, I can go straight into the Navbar settings, or for example dismiss stopwatch, and simply close this application. If you open more than one application, let's do this. Also, I'm gonna put some media player. It was located here. And right now, if I'm gonna lock the screen and if I want to switch between apps, I will have to scroll up and down. If I'm gonna move it to the left or to the right side, as you can see, nothing is gonna happen. So we can just simply use this like that. If you want to close Navbar, just click outside and you will go back into the lock screen. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.